Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today, I'm going to switch some gears for you. I'm going to do dessert because my wife recommended the dessert because I wanted to do something else, but she says, hey, do a dessert. So, I'm going to do a dessert. So, a friend of mine brought up a peanut butter pie. Cassie brought up a peanut butter pie. I never had it, never heard of it. Peanut butter is my favorite. I love peanut butter. If you love peanut butter, you're going to love this. Here on Cooking with Frankie Meatball. What's up, guys? How we doing? Hey, just wanted to throw something at you. Check this out. Okay, Google, play Philly Rock Radio.
Okay, here's Philly Rock Radio on TuneIn.
That's another way you can get to PhillyRockRadio.com, guys. Just tell your smart speaker to open it up. Let's get started. First, I'm having Tony Montana coming over. So, I got him a little dessert over here, you know what I'm saying? So I put Tony Montana to the side, because we say that for him. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, you get your Oreos. Okay, man? You get your Oreos. You want 20 Oreos and 5 tablespoons of melted butter. We're going to make the pie shell. Gotta make your own pie shell. Don't you cheat out there. You can if you want, but the fresher the better, eh? So anyway, we're gonna get a 20 Oreos. You can do regular Oreos, peanut butter Oreos. So since it's a peanut butter pie, I'm doing peanut butter Oreos, okay? I'll just pop them in there. You wanna chop them up to real fine pieces. Yeah, you gotta just break them up, throw them in your food processor, or if you have a blender, throw them in a blender if you don't have a food processor. Oh, whatever works. You want it nice and fine. So we're going to dump it in here. We got 5 tablespoons of melted butter here. You got your 20 Oreos. Now we're just going to mix it together to make the pie crust. Now, while you're doing this, preheat your oven to 350. Don't bother making a sandwich with the peanut butter. I open the jar and it's very hard to put it down though, you know? Once you pop, you can't stop. Alright, look, this looks nice and mixed together here. Alright. That looks nice. 9-inch pie pan. I couldn't find a 9-inch pie pan, so I got a 9.5. Oh well. It is what it is. So, throw it in. And now we're going to press it into a shell. I'm actually going to use my hands. Once you got your pie shell all pressed out, go ahead and stick it in the oven for 10 minutes. Okay? 10 minutes on 350. Make sure you preheat your oven prior. So what you want to do is get yourself 3/4 cup of heavy cream, put it in a pot, and bring it to a boil. What we're going to make some chocolate ganache. Okay? So 3/4 cup of heavy cream, you're going to bring to a boil, and 6 ounces of chocolate. Don't use chocolate chips, use some good chocolate, alright? So here's your pie shell. Kind of poofed up a little bit, but that's fine. Alright? So what we're going to do, we're going to set this to the side and let it cool off. Okay, you want 6 ounces of chocolate. Break it up first because you're going to coarsely chop it. Alright, so break it up as much as you can with your fingers. I'm going to use my taco chopper. Just chop that up. Coarsely chopped so it melts quicker. Now that the chocolate is chopped, I'm going to go put the heat on my heavy cream. Reason why I put the heat on the cream after I chop this, because it's going to boil and you might not be done chopping. So chop your chocolate first, then warm up your heavy cream. Your heavy cream came to a boil, just pour it over your chocolate. And then you just mix together. So after this is fully mixed together, what you're going to do is let it cool off, let it come to room temperature. Okay? So that's why we made our shell first, because that needs to cool off. The second is the ganache. We're going to let that cool off. By the time we're done our filling, everything should be ready to go. Look at that. That's nice and smooth. I'm going to just give it a little more mix. Oh, mama mia, that's a spicy meatball. Oh, look at that. All right. I'll put it to the side and let that cool off. Oh. Oh, woohoo! Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay, now we're going to make the filling. First step of the filling we're going to do, we're going to make the whipped cream. We're going to get 3/4 cup of heavy cream. Get yourself a hand mixer. And mix on high. Alright, you want your cream nice and thick, like that. What you want to do is grab another bowl. You want to spoon your whipped cream in another bowl. Okay? Now set that aside. You're going to want an 8-ounce package of cream cheese, room temperature. Next, you want a teaspoon of vanilla flavoring. Hey, Tony Montana, I'm gonna grab your sugar, alright, man? So you want 3/4 cup of confectionery sugar, powdered sugar, however you want to call it sugar, okay? 3/4. Hey, Tony! Hey, yo, Tony! Hey, yo, Tony! I got some more candy for you, man. I got some more for you, man. Next, my favorite, the star of the dish, peanut butter. Use your favorite peanut butter. I use Skippy, because I'm going to skip along. Alright. So, we're going to do 1.5 cups of peanut butter. Now you got your mixer. Start off slow. Final ingredient for your filling, you want 3/4 cup of heavy cream. You start off slow. Alright. Grab yourself a handful Reese's Pieces of straw, man. What you're going to do is you're going to get your whipped cream you made. You're going to put it in. You're not going to stir it. You're going to fold her in, okay? Because you don't want to deflate the whipped cream. Alright, so we're going to fold her in and mix it nice. We're almost there. Just fold her in, guys. Nice and nice. Now it's nice and fluffy and creamy and peanut buttery. This is, I just want to eat this. Forget about putting it in the fridge. I want to eat this, you know what I mean? My filling is done. My shell was just a little too warm, so I popped it in the freezer. I'll leave it in there for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, that's what you do. If it's too hot, boom. Oh, chocolate, peanut butter, oh, and Oreos, forget about it. Let me tell you, that's a good recommendation. Let me tell you, huh? We're at the home stretch, guys. You get your peanut butter filling, and we're going to put it on top of the pie shell. And I hope you made your pie shell. I just hope you did. Just spread it out, guys. Hey, Skippy, gets in my belly. I want my Skippy, peanut butter. All right. Take a look at that, guys, huh? Nice and smoothing out the peanut butter, huh? Very nice, guys. Very nice. You got your chocolate, and then we're gonna just pour. Oh, guys, look at that, guys. Oh, don't hold any chocolate in the bowl. Get it all out, guys. You want it all out. Oh, look at this, guys. Look at this. Oh, look at this. Oh, I can't wait to have it. Oh, my gosh. Oh, look at the chocolate. Ooh. So boom, so that's what you got. You get your some Reese's Pieces. If you have chopped, you put your chopped on there. I don't, Frankie Meatball don't, so I'm just gonna put whole Reese's Pieces. Reese's Pieces, whatever you don't use in the Reese's Pieces, you go outside and put a trail out and you'll find ET. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go find ET. This is ET food. We're halfway there. The easiest part is coming up next. All we gotta do is put it in the fridge, watch a movie or two, watch something. Good recommendation. You got Amazon? Do Gravesit. You got William DeMayo, Joseph D'Onofrio. If you like The Sopranos, you're gonna love this. You go watch that. That's half your time. You come back, maybe watch a little something else. I would say watch some sports, but I don't have to say no more, right? So I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and I'll see you back in 6 hours. I'm cooking Frankie Meatball. Butter pie, huh? You see how thick that is? Look at that peanut butter, guys, huh? Look at all that peanut butter. You got the Oreo on the bottom. You got the peanut butter in the middle. You got the chocolate on top. You got the Reese's on top. Guys, huh? This looks marvelous. I'm telling you, it looks beautiful. Listen, guys, look us up on Facebook, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram. I'm telling you guys, here's my little protege, Mini Meatball. What's up, Mini Meatball?
Ooh, it smells like peanut butter up in here.
Oh yeah, that's a peanut butter pie, boy. How good is that, huh? Yeah. So, Mini Meatball, why don't you tell these people what they can do?
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday.